Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Let's go. Feliz Navidad. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish. Hey there, culture eaters! We are about to go drive in an area where they've done massive installations of Christmas lights. Takes about an hour and a half to do. And yeah, we're really looking forward to it. I'm here with my mom. We're being COVID safe, of course. It's a good thing we can do it in our car. And yeah, I can't wait to go see just from outside. It's so exciting and cool to look at. So we'll take you with us.
The snow is falling and the cold wind is blowing hard. I'm locked inside tonight, but my heart is somewhere else. I'm thinking of you, babe, and all your crazy ways. I miss you more right now. It must be these holidays. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. And oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind.
Guys, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to give this video a like. Smash that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed yet.
Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Oh, what I give to have you here, my dear. We could sing and laugh about our wonderful year. I can see it now, yeah, your lips stained from the wine. And that sweet smile you have, your hand in mine. You know you're my everything, the only present I want. Oh, what I give to be with you under the mistletoe. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. I'm dreaming you home for the holidays. I'm dreaming you home right now. I'm dreaming you home because you're all I really want. I'm dreaming you home tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight.
So I hope that you really enjoyed the ride with us. So our opinion, well, I dropped my mom off so she can't tell you, but we discussed it. It was really a lot of fun. It lasted about 1 hour going through with everybody. Really nice sections. They're all like in different like universes. They all have different themes. Some were very good. There you go. I am throwing you on the ground. Some were very good and some were not as good, but I guess that's to be expected. But yeah, it was still really a lot of fun. It's not cheap. The driver with a car is, I think, $40 Canadian. And my mom had a senior ticket, which was $25 Canadian. So it's definitely not cheap. But if you've never done it before, I do think it's something that you can do once in your life for sure. It was really a lot of fun. It was a perfect, great outing for COVID winter. Would have been a bit nicer if it had like actual snow on the ground. We don't have permanent snow for the winter yet. But no, definitely totally worth going once. It's a lot of fun. If you have kids, they're going to absolutely love it. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. I hope that you enjoyed tagging along. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos to come. And always remember to eat and travel. Always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Mwah. Bye.